There are many fun places in Dallas. There is a zoo in Dallas. Mrs. Brown and her family are going to the zoo next weekend. There are a lot of animals in the zoo. There are tigers, zebras, giraffes, lions, monkeys, and elephants. Some animals are big. Some animals are huge. Some animals are small. Some animals are tiny. Some animals are funny. And some animals are aggressive. A lot of, many. There are many people. There are a lot of people. There are many trees. There are a lot of trees. Pronunciation. Al, Allah, a lot, a lot of. Pronounce a lot of, not a lot of, but pronounce like one word. A lot of, a lot of. Repeat. There are a lot of people. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are there a lot of people on the bus?
Yes, there are a lot of people on the bus.
Are there a lot of people on the bus? Respond. Very good. Huge. Very big. This house is big, but this house is huge. Pronunciation. You. Huge. Huge. This house is huge. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is this a big house or is this a huge house?
This is a huge house.
Very good. Is this a huge house? Respond. Very good. Tiny. Very small. Tiny. Tie. Tine. Tiny. This house is small, but this house is tiny. Tiny. Repeat. This house is tiny. Repeat. Very good. Bug or insect. This bug is huge. This bug is tiny. Pronunciation. Bug. Bug. This bug is tiny. Repeat. This bug is huge. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What color is the bug?
The bug is green.
And what color is this bug?
The bug is red.
Very good. What color is the bug? Respond. And what color is this bug? Respond. Very good. Is this bug huge?
Yes, the bug is huge.
And is this bug tiny?
Yes, the bug is tiny.
Is this bug huge? Respond. And is this bug tiny? Respond. Very good. Animals. An. Anim. Anim. Anima. Animal. Animals. Many animals. Repeat. Very good. Animals. More than one. One animal. For one, we say an animal. This is an animal. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are there a lot of animals in the zoo?
Yes, there are a lot of animals in the zoo.
Are there a lot of animals in the zoo? Respond. Very good. Lion. I, lie. Y, lie. Lie. Lion. This is a lion. Repeat. Lion. Is there a lion in the zoo?
Yes, there's a lion in the zoo.
Is there a lion in the zoo? Respond. Very good. How many? Question for number. How many? Ow. How? Me. Men. Many. How many? How many lions are there? Remember to make a question. There are 2 lions. There are 5 lions. There are, switch. Are there? For question, how many lions are there? How many? Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. How many lions are there?
There are 3 lions.
Very good. How many lions are there? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Ask me a question for number.
How many lions are there?
There are 3 lions. Ask me a question for number. There are 3 lions. Very good. Elephant. This is an elephant. L. L. Elef. Elephant. 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 This is an elephant. Repeat. Elephant. Let's practice. How many elephants are there?
There are 2 elephants.
How many elephants are there? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Make a question for number.
How many elephants are there?
There are 2 elephants. Ask a question for number. There are 2 elephants. Very good. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Jur. Giraffe. 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 Repeat. This is a giraffe. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. How many giraffes are there?
There are 2 giraffes.
How many giraffes are there? Respond. Very good. Is the giraffe tall or short?
The giraffe is tall.
Very good. Is the giraffe tall or short? Respond. Very good. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monk. Monk. Monkey. This is a monkey. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Where are the monkeys?
The monkeys are in the zoo.
Where are the monkeys? Respond. Are the monkeys by the water?
Yes, the monkeys are by the water.
Are the monkeys by the water? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Questions. Make a question for number.
How many monkeys are there?
There are 4 monkeys. Make a question for number. There are 4 monkeys. Very good. Tiger. This is a tiger. Tig. Tiger. This is a tiger. Repeat. Tiger. Let's practice. How many tigers are there?
There are 2 tigers.
How many tigers are there? Respond. Very good. What color are the tigers?
The tigers are orange and black.
Orange and black. What color are the tigers? Respond. Very good. Zebra. This is a zebra. Z. E. Z. B. Zeb. R. Zebra. A. Zebra. This is a zebra. Repeat. Zebra. Let's practice. How many zebras are there?
There are 2 zebras.
How many zebras are there? Respond. Very good. Aggressive. The dog is aggressive. G. Ug. Agr. Aggress. Aggress. Aggressive. V. Aggressive. Aggressive. Repeat. Aggressive. The dog is aggressive. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. How many tigers are there?
There is 1 tiger.
How many tigers are there? Respond. Very good. Is the tiger aggressive?
Yes, the tiger is aggressive.
Is the tiger aggressive? Respond. Very good. Funny. Description. Comical. He is laughing because he is funny. Pronunciation. Fun. Funny. He is funny. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Why is he laughing?
He's laughing because the monkey is funny.
Why is he laughing? Respond. That's right. The monkey is funny. Very good. Where are they?
They're at the movies.
Where are they? Respond. Very good. Why are they laughing?
They're laughing because the movie's funny.
Why are they laughing? Respond. Very good. Some. S. Some. Some. Not all. Not 100%. Some. Some animals are big. Some animals are huge. Some animals are small. Some animals are tiny. Some animals are gray. Some animals are brown. Some. Repeat. Very good. Are some animals big?
Yes, some animals are big.
Are some animals small?
Yes, some animals are small.
Are some animals big? Respond. Are some animals small? Respond. Very good. Are some animals gray?
Yes, some animals are gray.
Are some animals brown?
Yes, some animals are brown.
Are some animals gray? Respond. Are some animals brown? Respond. Very good. Are some animals tiny?
Yes, some animals are tiny.
Are some animals huge?
Yes, some animals are huge.
Are some animals tiny? Respond. Are some animals huge? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are there many fun places in Dallas?
Yes, there are many fun places in Dallas.
Are there many fun places in Dallas? Respond. Very good. Is there a zoo in Dallas?
Yes, there is a zoo in Dallas.
Is there a zoo in Dallas? Respond. Very good. Who is going to the zoo next weekend?
Mrs. Brown and her family are going to the zoo next weekend.
Who is going to the zoo next weekend? Respond. Very good. Are there a lot of animals in the zoo?
Yes, there are a lot of animals in the zoo.
Are there a lot of animals in the zoo? Respond. Very good. What animals are in the zoo?
There are elephants, lions, tigers, zebras, giraffes, and monkeys.
Very good. What animals are in the zoo? Respond. Very good. Are some animals big?
Yes, some animals are big.
Are some animals small?
Yes, some animals are small.
Are some animals big? Respond. Are some animals small? Very good. Are some animals aggressive?
Yes, some animals are aggressive.
Are some animals funny?
Yes, some animals are funny.
Are some animals aggressive? Respond. Are some animals funny? Respond. Very good. Are some animals huge?
Yes, some animals are huge.
Are some animals tiny?
Yes, some animals are tiny.
Are some animals huge? Respond. Are some animals tiny? Respond. Very good. There are many fun places in Dallas. There is a zoo in Dallas. Mrs. Brown and her family are going to the zoo next weekend. There are a lot of animals in the zoo. There are tigers, zebras, giraffes, lions, monkeys, and elephants. Some animals are big. Some animals are huge. Some animals are small. Some animals are tiny. Some animals are funny. And some animals are aggressive. Let's practice reading. Are there many fun places in Dallas?
Yes, there are many fun places in Dallas.
Are there many fun places in Dallas? Respond. Very good. Is there a zoo in Dallas?
Yes, there is a zoo in Dallas.
Is there a zoo in Dallas? Respond. Very good. Who is going to the zoo next weekend?
Next weekend, Mrs. Brown and her family are going to the zoo.
Who is going to the zoo next weekend? Respond. Very good. Are there a lot of animals in the zoo?
Yes, there are a lot of animals in the zoo.
What animals are there?
There are lions, monkeys, zebras, giraffes, elephants, and tigers.
Very good. Are there a lot of animals in the zoo? Respond. What animals are there? Respond. That's right. Good job. Are some animals big?
Yes, some animals are big.
Are some animals huge?
Yes, some animals are huge.
Are some animals big? Respond. Are some animals huge? Respond. Very good. Are some animals small?
Yes, some animals are small.
Are some animals tiny?
Yes, some animals are tiny.
Are some animals small? Respond. Are some animals tiny? Respond. Very good. Are some animals funny?
Yes, some animals are funny.
Are some animals aggressive?
Yes, some animals are aggressive.
Are some animals funny? Respond. Are some animals aggressive? Respond. Very good. And thank you for watching.